area sa Canso Western, San Pedro Street, Ciudad sa Davao. Mauli ang mga katikaran dito ang kapita. Sir? Chicks ka, sir? 150 lang, sir. Pangapi lang, sir. Niabot ang isa ka burig. Ang buring nagkatalog first aid.
Alam mo? Internally or externally. So, as what we have shown, the injured ear is caused by the pagpapabak of bato sa isa ka burig. So, as a first aider in the area, number 1 is that give the victim as still as you can and gently rest the head. So, injured part, ear down. So, the injured part, Palikura daw na, oy.
Injured part, ear down, and then with a clean pad held over the ear for blood to drain into. So, ensure that you will lightly put a pad or sterile pad on the affected ear. Then next is that let the ear drain by positioning the patient. And then number 3, the most important, if you don't know what we're doing, is that call 911 for help.